Hey, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today in central London. Wonderful client. We're doing an art studio. So we came up, we spent the first couple of days removing the stone, getting the roof dried and prepped. So we are gonna do a layover with this roof. So we're gonna fasten down new sofa board. It saves the client a lot of money from removing the roof, labor costs, new insulation. All that's fine here. He just needs to get a new roof on, so that's the plan. We're gonna lay out some sofa board, screw it through the deck, and then put the base and cap on. It's about 900 square feet roughly. We'll show you what it looks like when we get going. Thank you. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal, we finished about 3/4 of the job. I'll go ahead and take a look. So we had an existing 4-ply P-stone roof. We fastened substrate on a new substrate. That gives us a new separation layer. So what you're looking at here is a peel and stick base sheet, and the red stuff, the primer. You have to add the primer to make sure the cap sheet adheres well with the base sheet. This was our perimeter detail. So we want to make sure everything ties together. So we're able to tie it in together. We brought our cap sheet up here, and we're going to weld here. Show you what it looks like on this side. So we have a wall detail. We want to bring our membrane up, and we're going to add another piece of flashing under the siding, so we have a proper watershed from the top here and shed down. This is what the cap sheet looks like before we start welding. We're going to weld the seams, and basically that's going to fuse the seams together, because right now it's still open. So the field of the sheet is adhered, so the overlap edges, we're going to weld them, and that's going to fuse the asphalt together and make it a watertight system. We have an internal drain, so we installed this into our existing lines. So you measure whatever your existing line is, and then you buy just a little bit smaller so it fits nicely in there, and then you tie the new roof with the old roof. So that's a drain we're going to finish off. There we go. We got about a couple hours left to go. We got to weld it, do some perimeter details, and show you what it looks like. Thanks. Hey, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal, we finished the job. Terrific client. I'm sure they're going to be thrilled. We were able to take an old roof, make it new. They're going to have years now to work with this roof. There you go. Take a look. We moved it to a 4-ply built-up roof system to a beautiful new 2-ply modified bitumen roof system. We have some wall details, perimeter details. We have 2 drains, which is always nice on a roof. In case one plugs, you're not going to collapse the roof. We have an internal drain with inline plumbing, and then we have an emergency scupper on the outside in case that drain ever clogs up. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thanks so much.